Will the teachers always be in a doubt that the answer written by the student is the work of AI tool? After all, why bother our brains? The words such as fabulous, amazing, incredible may be lost from the dictionary. Hi friends. Yesterday, my friend wrote an excellent poetry and narrated it magnificently. It was a pleasant experience to hear each magical word of the poem. But then I asked my friend, hello, is this poem really written by you? Or is it generated by some AI tool such as ChatGPT and you borrowed it? My friend was thoroughly insulted and angry. This poem was really his creation. But he was not able to prove that the words and feelings came from the bottom of his heart and not the work of any AI tool. Of course, later I apologized, my friend, but what's the use? The words once said are always said, isn't it? This insulting feeling will stay in my friend's mind for many years. And then a thought came to my mind. Everyone around is talking about merits and demerits of AI tools. There are claims made by a lot of people that lot of jobs will be taken away by AI tools. Few others claim that new jobs will be created. But a very few are thinking about human behavior and human psychology. Will people always doubt about human creativity? Just as I did with my friend? Will the people always be in two minds before admiring a heart-touching poetry, a colorful flower, or a melodious song? One thing is for sure, the AI tools will stay with us forever now. The productivity is going to take a big boost due to these AI tools. May it be automobile manufacturing, roads and bridges construction, and programming and coding, everything will be done fast. It is even said that the AI tools will contribute to almost 80% of making of a Bollywood film. Imagine 80% of the film created with the help of AI tools. But beyond increasing the productivity, there is something very important. The question of creditability or appreciation that will be given to human. The words such as fabulous, amazing, incredible may be lost from the dictionary. A similar situation will always arise while solving a coding problem. AI tools will be given the undue credit for each and every program or code developed. Well, it may happen that people will altogether lose their interest in programming and coding because all that work would be done by AI tools. Additionally, I am more concerned about the students pursuing their education. Perhaps I am more concerned about the teachers too. How are the students going to get evaluated? And how much faith will evaluator have while evaluating an answer? Will the teachers always be in a doubt that the answer written by the student is the work of AI tool? Dear students and friends and colleagues and people out there, we have a lot to do about the evaluation system in the coming years. The evaluation system that won't be too partial and supportive to only AI tools. An evaluation system which will be different from the old traditional one. We will have to maintain a balance between both AI tools and humans. A few years back, there came a fantastic device called calculator. This made us lazy enough and we started performing even the easiest of the math calculations using calculator. After all, why bother our brains? And now, after several years, we may go ahead and rely heavily on AI tools for very simple questions and problems that we face in our daily life. We won't solve it on our own. The important thing is we will have to take care that human creativity and critical thinking is not lost. I hope you liked my thinking and this video. If you do like, Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.